Hazrat Humran, the slave of Usman, reports that he saw that Hazrat Usman bin Affan, Dhun-Nurain, having two lights, asked for a vessel. Then he poured water thrice on his hands and washed them. Then dipped the right hand into the vessel and performed gargle and sniffed the water up through the nose. Cleanse it. Thereafter he washed his face thrice and then washed his both forearms, including elbows, thrice. Then he performed masa, wiping of head with wet hands of his head. Afterwards he washed his feet up to ankle thrice. Then he said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever performs ablution as I have performed, then performs 2-unit prayer and does not let thoughts pass through his heart during them. 2 units of prayer, his former sins are forgiven." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 159.